Hey Cacher, Derek here, Big Six Clan. I just received a box of clues that can help me find 6 treasure boxes worth $10,000 each. Shall we see what's in here? Let's get started. Okay, so full disclosure, this box was sent to me for me to review and kind of open up and to share with you to see if you all want to join in the hunt as well. And this really is for a lot of the puzzlers out there. And those that have watched the channel long know that I love escape rooms, I love puzzles, and a lot of first time that some of y'all met me is part of the Geocache Talk Network. And there's been some really fun treasure hunts that have been out there. Of course, we've heard of the Forrest Flynn, the Secret, a lot of those really in-depth treasure hunts that we've seen all over the world, from Expedition Unknown, which have done things on both of those, and then also, I don't know if you remember this, but the Geocache Talk Network did a GT Stash or Geocache Talk Stash. Well, and they put out a whole bunch of riddles and puzzles that went over several months or weeks, and there was only 6 of those hidden, and I was part of 5 that actually found them. Found one of those locations. So this is kind of up my alley. Well, they sent me this box. It's called The Incredible Hunt, and it is, once again, one of those treasure hunts. Well, there's clues inside this box that will help you find 6 treasures that were hidden all across the United States. And each one of those, if you can find it and you send them the code that's in there, you'll get $10,000. I mean, what's the one question that everybody asks us when we are caching and we're teaching somebody new? Well, what's inside the box? Is it money? Well, generally in geocaching, no. But for this one, yes. So if you're really into doing treasure hunts and trying to find that aspect, maybe we should check out this game. All right, I haven't even opened up this box, so I don't even know what the clues are yet. But you also have, if you want to get one of these boxes, you'll have the opportunity to, and I have a link down in the description for that, and that is a discount code, so you'll get this at a discounted price. Let's open this up, all right? And I don't want to reveal what the clues are, really. I just kind of want to see what the cards in here, because I don't want to give away any spoilers, because you need to get one of these boxes if you're going to join in the hunt. All right, so here we go. I'm going to go ahead and open it up. It's sealed here. Let's go ahead and break the seal, and let's see what is in this box. I'm excited. I'm curious too, very curious to see what's in here. So let's go ahead and get into this box very carefully. Okay, seal is broken. I'm opening it up. First thing is first, it has a card that says, "Welcome to the hunt. Your journey begins today. You are among thousands of hunters with eyes to set on just 6 prizes. Can you solve one of our puzzles? Will you be one of the winners? Solve the hunt." So that's a really cool card. And then there's just kind of there's a coupon code on the back of this and a QR code. So, but if you want one of these, go check out the link in the description to get one of these as well. Okay, so let's see here. Of course, there's some confetti paper. There is a magnifying glass in here, which is really cool. Nice. The box has some really cool stuff in here. There's a parchment paper type thing, like a map, that's got some clues and stuff like that all over it. So that's kind of cool right there. There's a map that you can see there. I'm not going to show anything really close because, like I said, I don't want to reveal too much away here. And then there's some cards in here as well. And there's clues on the other side. And these are really nicely done cards, and I really do like these. These are really cool. So, and they're numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So my guess, each card of these goes to one of the treasures that's somewhere around the US. So if you are a treasure hunter and you want to be able to get into this hunt, go check out the description down below. Get one of these boxes. It looks like it's going to be an epic hunt. So join the forces of finding Forrest Flynn, Forrest Flynn treasure, the Secret. I mean, there's been a jelly bean one, but hey, I hope this is a little bit different, but for those puzzlers, this is something really cool. And once again, this has been sponsored by The Incredible Hunt, this video. So go check them out, have fun, get out there and find some treasure. And you know what? This still kind of fits part of the game because it's puzzles and you're finding a cache of cash. All right, check you later, and don't go anywhere. Go check out another one of these videos just right over here and find the story behind the cache. Oh yeah, and I forgot to tell you, teamwork is encouraged. So if you want to work with me on solving some of these clues, message me.